Hello friends, today we will do chapter number 5, Industries. Secondary activities or manufacturing change raw materials into products of more value to people. As you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing process. What is industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. Now let's talk about the classification of industries, which is basically of three types: raw materials, size, and ownership. Raw materials: agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, forest-based. Size: small scale, large scale. Ownership: public sector, private sector, joint sector, cooperative sector. Our next topic is the factors affecting location of industries. First, raw material. Second, land. Third, water. Fourth, labor. Fifth, power. Sixth, capital. Seventh, transport. Eighth, market. Ninth, communication. Next, industrial system. An industrial system consists of input, processes, and outputs. The inputs are the raw materials, labor, and costs of land, transport, power, and other infrastructure. The processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw materials into finished products. The outputs are the end products and the income earned from it. Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Risk reduction measures. Densely populated residential areas should be separated far away from the industrial areas. Fire warning and fighting systems should be improved. Storage capacity of toxic substances should be limited. People staying in the vicinity of industry should be aware of the storage of toxins or hazardous substances and their possible effects in case if an accident occurs. Fifth, pollution dispersal qualities in the industries should be improved. Distribution of major industries. Industrial system of iron and steel industry. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal, and limestone, along with labor, capital, site, and other infrastructure. The process of converting iron ore into steel involves many stages. The raw material is put in the blast furnace where it undergoes smelting. It is then refined. The output obtained is steel, which may be used by other industries as raw materials. Now we will talk about the uses of steel. Steel is tough and it can easily be shaped, cut, or made into wires. Special alloys of steel can be made by adding small amounts of other metals such as aluminium, nickel, and copper. Alloys give steel unusual hardness, toughness, or ability to resist rust. Ships, trains, trucks are made largely of steel. Oil wells are drilled with steel machinery. Steel pipelines transport oil. Minerals are mined with steel equipment. Farm machines are mostly steel. Large buildings have steel framework. Next topic is Jamshedpur. Why was Kachi was chosen to settle the steel plant? Sakchi was chosen up to set up the steel plant for several reasons. This place was only 32 km away from the Kalimati station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line. It was close to the iron ore, coal and manganese deposits as well as to Kolkata, which provided a large market. Tisco gets coal from Jharia coal fields and iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Orissa and Chhattisgarh. The Kharkai and Subarnekha rivers ensured sufficient water supply. Government initiatives provided adequate capital for its later development. Now let's talk about Pittsburgh. The steel industry at Pittsburgh enjoys locational advantages. Some of raw materials such as coal is available locally, while the iron ore comes from the iron mines at Minnesota, 1500 km from Pittsburgh. Between these mines and Pittsburgh is one of the world's best routes for shipping ore cheaply, the famous Great Lakes Waterway. Trains carry the ores from the Great Lakes to Pittsburgh's area. The Ohio, the Monongahela and the Allegheny rivers provide adequate water supply. Now let's start with another topic, cotton textile industry in Ahmedabad. It is often referred to as the Manchester of India. It is situated in the heart of cotton growing areas. The humid climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. It is located in Gujarat on the banks of Sabarmati River. The flat terrain and easy availability of land is suitable for the establishment of the mills. The densely populated states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both skilled and semi-skilled labor. Well-developed road and railway network permits easy transportation of textiles to different parts of the country, thus providing easy access to the market. Mumbai Port nearby facilities import of machines and export of cotton textiles. The second one is Osaka. It is an important textile center of Japan, also known as the Manchester of India. It was developed in Osaka due to several geographical factors. The extensive plain around Osaka ensured that land was easily available for growth of cotton mills. Warm, humid climate is well suited to spinning and weaving. The river Yodo provides sufficient water for the mills. Labor is available. Osaka is completely dependent on imported raw materials, that is from Egypt, China, India and USA. Thank you, friends.